top side hustles of 2023. Welcome back, money-savvy friends. Today, we're diving into the world of freelance writing side hustles. First, assess your writing skills. Determine your niche, be it travel, tech, or anything else. Your expertise is key. Next, build a writing portfolio. Write sample articles or blog posts. Consider it your virtual resume. Then, create a profile on freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Showcase your skills and portfolio there. Lastly, always deliver high-quality work on time. Satisfied clients lead to repeat business and referrals. And there you have it. Freelance writing can be a rewarding, low-cost side hustle. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up. For more wealth-building content, hit that subscribe button.